Hola, bon dia, benvinguts al Nadins Caudalla de desembre. Fanny i Axel ens porten la història d'una xica normal, amb un problema normal, però amb solucions extraordinàries. Anem a viatjar fins a Polònia per a jugar a l'amagatall amb Fanny, Olga i Axel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. J'arrive!
Trouvé.
Caricaturistes de tota Eslovènia els troben els uns als altres en aquest particular event, a la ciutat d'Escòcia Loca.
What's going to happen here? Something has to happen, something unique, funny, something that will draw attention, modern, understandable. Caricature is perfect, it's everything and more. The first caricature festival was the first event after 10 years of not being connected to the caricature artists. So now this is the fifth time. Everybody is happy about it.
I draw many different person. I like draw movie stars. I like draw singer stars. I like draw ordinary people, friends, animal. Anyway, just I like drawing. First, I start with ordinary sketch. Then this sketch draw more powerful, more then put this sketch to Photoshop program, and then in Photoshop I start painting. This is our ski jumper, Petrka. In our government, when one guy, this is our football player. Movie star from Slovenia, singer from Slovenia.
It's interesting because it's everyone is different. You know, each one of us has some faults, and it's my challenge to expose them.
People who are young and beautiful is very hard to draw.
If someone has a big nose, you know, I like to draw it a little bigger.
Maybe his nose is big only because his face is so small. The same nose on some other guy's larger head would be considered small.
If you do too much of exaggeration, you know, especially women can be, they don't like it, you know. Mostly we try to do nice and, you know, comic nice, but not too much exaggeration. So yeah, people are they're okay with it.
If I look at your face, I always calculate what in your face interesting.
You have only 5 minutes or only 1 minute to draw somebody. You have to, all the main decisions have to be made before the person sits down.
Tornem a Kersko per anar de festa a l'EMSI.
Bona nit, fest d'hivern. Estem així des de Tavernes de la Veïdina, la gent de Cala Barraga cobrint el major esdeveniment de tot l'any. Ja han mort 3 menors d'edat per congelació i s'han tallat 3 mans per gangrena a culpa de les brides. Ja sabeu, la brida és una cosa molt sèria. Estic així amb Paula Perruna, que va dir-vos unes paraules. Paula, ¿qué piensas sobre este festival?
Me encanta este festival y soy muy contenta de entrevistar a la gente sobre lo que piensas de no sé de qué, de preguntan que no saben lo que es.
¿Eres catalanista?
Tudi to nisem razumela, kaj so povedala, ampak so zanimivi ljudje in prijazni, tako da hvala še enkrat.
Vamos catalanista. Vamos fareo catalanis.
Selbero o tenis?
Tu tam.
Še enkrat ponavljam, ne vem, kaj ste povedali, vem, da je blazno smešno, ampak še enkrat hvala.
Tenis.
Could you choose between?
Sorry.
Okay.
¿A qué hora toca Bertichen?
What?
¿A qué hora toca Bertichen?
What?
Trenutno res ne razumem, kaj ste povedali, tako da upam, da nisem kaj usmešila se, ampak hvala za spraševanje.
Kitchen. What the kitchen? Ne razumem te.
¿No resumes?
Ne zastopim te. Ne razumem te. Ko je? Ful je dober. Ker smo vsi tle in smo dober. To je to.
Hem descobert una nova iniciativa a Ljubljana, el Repair Café. Anem a veure de què va.
From the beginning, when I was young, my parents were collecting old things, and I was watching this all my childhood. And when I started living alone in my own flat, I was a student. I didn't have enough money, so I went to that trash. And look, oh yeah, that's great. I will take this home, and like this I start repairing old things. If you want to do these things, do it yourself. You have to be practical, very practical, and you must have imagination, and you have to use Pinterest.
mogoče dovolite, ker tega smo res veliko delali.
Na pol, pa na četrt, ja, tako.
Zelo podpiramo te stvari, da se stvari ne mečejo stran, da ljudje pač dobijo voljo, da nekaj sami naredijo in to jim je poseben užitek.
Kar se tiče naših strank, da se pravi skupaj s stranko opravimo preko prijetnega razgovora neko popravilo njihovih izdelkov. Takrat se zbližimo, kaj povemo tudi preproste stvari, hkrati pa tudi popravimo izdelek, ki ga stranka prinese s seboj. Stranke, kateri nas obiščejo v Repair Cafeju, v glavnem ne poznajo toliko zadeve in so zelo veseli naše pomoči.
What did you bring today to repair?
Copper pots.
Okay.
These are mine. They're basically just dirty. They have to be cleaned up, but it's not so easy to do because it's been probably years since they've been used. So. Now there's soda, like bicarbonate. Take a look at this one. This one I've cleaned a bit. The inside part is cleaner than the rest.
Our society is like a throwaway society. We just go and buy stuff, and then something just small is broken, and we throw it away and go get another piece. And I think this is irresponsible.
It's also kind of sad that it's that kind of way of life, because it's everything has to be so quickly and we don't have time to sit down and repair, and it's easier to buy something new.
In Slovenia, I think most people are close for this kind of lifestyle.
There's a whole mentality and a whole philosophy behind it that has to change, but that's gonna take, time. I think time and education and effort.
Da pri vseh stvarih, tudi pri hrani, pri oblikah, pri odnosih med ljudmi, da je treba delati na tem.
I think it's a great idea that people can use these repairs for something they need to hold on to, because they don't want to throw it away, and it's a good thing that these things have their lives again.
Hvala.